Sit down right here.
Somebody's tired of seeing
Sit down on the floor. Move back.
It's owls.
Oh, how
Sit back.
pretty.
Allie, wear those.
Sit down.
Wow.
Get up and sit down. Move back. Just move your booty back.
Wow. Really pretty.
Yeah, those are cute, Allie. What do yours look like?
Oh,
Mom, I
look
didn't
at
see
the
yours.
You gonna open it?
detail on those. Those are really pretty. I got crosses.
I got green and blue.
Did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow.
I guess you were the one that's tired of it, huh?
Oh, honey, look at the colors.
That would look good with my sweater.
What is it?
I'm wearing now.
Wow. Boy, you guys really have nice taste.
That's a haul.
Ooh.
Yeah. We were listening to, on the way down here, Jeff Foxworthy thing on the radio,
Right.
the 12 Days of Redneck Christmas or whatever.
Oh, yeah.
And one of them is
What is it?
5
Flannel
flannel
shirts.
What is it?
I guess your mother got tired of seeing me in the same stuff.
Check it out, Derek. What'd you
Huh?
get?
Thank you, dear.
He doesn't even know what to say.
Was that
Show Grandpa Doug. Show Grandpa Doug. It's just like his.
Show Grandpa Doug. Show him.
What'd you get?
Don't drop it. Come down.
Yeah.
He's like falling.
What is that?
Oh, is that
Oh,
Gatorade?
Wow.
Oh, wow. Kindle
And
Fire.
yours is charged up.
Oh yeah, it's charged up and loaded. I made sure to charge that puppy.
Oh, yeah.
You want me to turn it on?